Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to unbox and review Aadi running shoes for men. So let's get started. Here you can see the label in the box mentioning the size, maximum retail price and other manufacturing details. Well, I bought this product from Flipkart, which is obvious, for rupees 299. At first glance, I unfortunately feel really disappointed examining the quality of the product, as it didn't turn out according to my expectations. As I can see, the product is of very low quality and it does feel so. The sole is extremely soft and I can relate it to an eraser, if you know what I mean. The laces and the fabric of which it is made is poor too. The sole, as I think, is hollow in the inside. Let me check it out. Here, as you can see, it is hollow indeed and will not certainly last for a long time. After seeing all this, I unfortunately cannot and will not recommend anyone to go for this pair of shoes, not even at rupees 300. If you still want to go for it, then Bhagwan thodi brain power di tum logo ko. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and see you in the next one. Jai Shri Ram.